Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save call log number to your contact on the Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, first of all, you can go to your phone application on your Samsung Galaxy phone and you're gonna click on the recent option right here. And you're going to select a phone number on your call history that you want to save to your contact, and I'm gonna go with this phone number, so we can tap on the phone number and we can simply click on add to contacts. Okay, and here I want to choose create new contact, and we can name the contact right here. For example, I'm going to name it my friends. And after we're done, we just need to click on this save button and the phone number will be saved to our contacts, as you can see. Alright guys, and that's how we can save call log number to our contact on the Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.